Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share. You can also check for more educational content. In this video, we'll be explaining the market reaction to the PPI figure which was dropped earlier. So from the figures on your screen, you could see that the previous value was 0.2, and then the expected value was 0.3, and the consensus value, which is also the expected value or forecast, was also 0.3 on other economic calendars. So with the PPI, a lower figure is positive for the US dollar. It means that prices went down in the US, and then a higher figure will mean that prices went higher. So a figure below zero is positive for the US dollar, or if the figure is lower than the previous one, and then a higher figure, a figure above zero, is negative for the US dollar because it means there's inflation. So with our previous figure being 0.2 and then our forecast being 0.3, we expected the USD to short when the news was dropped. But looking at the chart, you could see it's a whole different story. The long week showed you that the market rather went long instead of going short as we predicted. But something you could note is how quickly price made losses. Gains made from the longs were immediately lost, and the market went into a short mode again, not going in our expected direction before the news was dropped. So here's what happened. You'll see now from this image that the previous value was reviewed to minus 0.1, meaning the previous month gave a value which had some error. It showed an inflation which wasn't so. So the market had to react to this positively first, which was why the first reaction we saw from the market was the long. Then you could see again that the actual value which dropped was 0.5, which means there's high inflation in the month of April, which is a very significant change from minus 0.1. Therefore, the market had to quickly lose the gains it made going long. And then we saw it going short and would expect it to go more downward. But since we're expecting the Fed chair to give a speech later in the day, we'll know he would most probably bring some hopes back to the market, and then hopefully we'll see the market continue to go long or maintain its current levels. If you found this video educative, you could share it with your friends, and don't forget to invite them to subscribe and watch and continue to search for more content as we continue to drop